Hey everyone, I'm Rick Fussell and this is the Ingrain Workshop. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Over the past couple of years, I've been posting DIY and woodworking videos. So this channel is primarily dedicated to DIY projects that you'd be typically doing around your house, and then woodworking projects from the beginner woodworker up to the intermediate to advanced. And those videos include project build videos, shop renovation videos, technical videos, jig videos, and tool reviews. So if you haven't done so already, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button below. It's free and painless. I'd also like to ask you to click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified of all our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for watching. This is Rick with the Ingrain Workshop. We'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day and God bless.